Hey y'all, welcome once again. Today we're going to be making some green banana salad. So let's get our ingredients and get going. So for this recipe you're going to need some green bananas, onion, mixed veg, some mayo. You're going to need some relish, onion and garlic powder, salt, and some Dijon mustard, and some oil. So in a pot you're going to put it on medium to high flame, and then you're going to add some salt to taste, because we're going to boil our bananas in here. Put a little vinegar, and a little of the oil, and let it come to a boil. And then we're going to put our bananas in. So let's core those bananas. We're going to core our bananas, make sure there's no papers. So we just cut them like this, and then we core here. So when they boil, since I'm not removing the skin first, they're easy to remove. And you just continue to do that. Core like this. Put the other end. And then you wash and put in your pot. Paper, this one has some paper on it, so we'll remove it one more time. This paper. And then we're going to wash. So now that it is boiling up, then you're going to put your washed banana in. And then you just cook it for about half an hour, or until you see these, where we core it is wide open, and then you know it's done. So just cover it and let it boil for about half an hour. So it has been half an hour, and as you can see, they're open, so you know they're cooked. Let's open one so you can see. And you put your fork in, it should go in. So we're just going to turn off and let it cool. Drain and let it cool. I'm going to take them out the skin and let them cool. So the skin going to hold the heat. So just do that. To the next one. You just do that for all of them. I'm showing you one more time here. So we're going to use our fork to break up our banana. You can use a knife too, just to get it into small pieces. Like so. You can make it as small as you'd like. So I'm just going to break them all up like so. Now that we have them broken up, then now we're going to be adding, alright, Add some chopped onion to it. And then we're going to go in with our mayonnaise. So we're just going to add about this to start. If we need to add some more, let's put a tablespoon and a half. And then we're going to be adding some onion powder, like so, and garlic powder. And then we're going to be adding our Dijon mustard. I think I'm going to be adding a little bit of bell pepper. So then I'm adding a little bit of the relish here. And then we add some mixed vegetable. I'm using the frozen type here. And then we're going to mix this up before we add our salt. If you want to put boiled eggs, you can. I decided not to for this one. Just want to make sure that it's all combined properly and get all the flavors on. Boil it in the salt. And let's see what it tastes like. See if I do need the bell pepper or a little bit more mayo. Without it, but it's up to how you like it. So then I will taste. So good. I don't think I need the bell pepper. The relish gave it the taste. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt. Good to go. Just let it sit in the fridge and cool and let the flavors come together. So let's do that. We thank you so much for watching. Remember to turn on that notification so you do not miss us. See you on the next one. Bye.